Hi guys! This is Pramila, my Indian girl friend. Shopping siya guys. Sama-sama lang ako guys. Kasi yung mga amo nag-ikot-ikot din. So, ako sama-sama na lang din ako. Shout out. So pretty. Pramila. What you will buy?
Still come down.
Mino.
Where is the box, children?
Namili sila guys. Mumura lang naman dito guys. What we will buy? What have there? Parking? Tingin-tingin na lang tayo. Tingin-tingin. 50%, 50%. 50% guys. 50%. 50%. Tingin-tingin na lang kami guys. Tingin-tingin. What? Wow, very nice. For school? Diyan pala yung malaki kong alaga. Namili ng bag. Namili ng bag. It's Stitch. Cute naman ang mga doll dito. Cute. Won't be had a video. Wait. I didn't stop it.